Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of autoplay on the application of Amazon Shopping. We click on settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we will go to above, we will search about Amazon Shopping and we will click here. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Amazon Shopping and you will click here. Then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again, so please don't forget to support us by liking.